Hey, my name is Peyton Igo. I run a digital marketing agency called Igo Productions, and in this video I'm going to share with you the biggest mistake I see small business owners making in their Facebook ad efforts. Now, I'm going to take you over to the whiteboard here in a second and show you just exactly what I'm seeing and how you can go about avoiding this mistake, saving you a lot of time, a lot of money, and being able to help you make a lot of money as well. So, if you're ready, I'm going to take you back to the whiteboard. Now, before I show you why so many small businesses struggle with Facebook ads, I need you to see this right here. Just give me a second. So, let's take a look at Facebook ad mistakes. We need to understand the components and really just everything that kind of goes into running a successful Facebook ad campaign, right? I mean, you have to have your campaign has to be set up right. B, your ad sets have to be set up right, and your ads have to be set up and functioning properly. Now, what I see a lot of businesses that are new to Facebook ads, they just go and they just try one single campaign, one thing all the way down the line. So it's just here, here, and here, one variable. The problem is there are potential holes all over the place if that's your strategy. So what's going to happen very likely, and if this has happened to you, go ahead and leave in the comments down below, is you've selected some campaign. It could be reach, could be conversions. There's a whole bunch of different ones. You picked an ad set, you played with it, try to get it to where you thought your ideal audience might be, and then you put ads there. And not only did you try the different ads, but you also tried the different placements and stuff. Now, when you consider all of those things, how many variables are there? There's a ton of variables. I mean, I forget how many campaigns there are, but let's just say there's more than this. But let's just say you're working with 5 campaigns. You have 5 campaign options. Now, the options for ad sets can virtually be endless by the time you mix interest and you try out different things. So, I mean, this is kind of, let's just say you deal with 10. We're just trying to deal with a little bit of numbers here. And then when you get over here to the ads, not only do you have to figure out, hey, do I want this to be an image? Do I want this to be a video? What do I want this ad to look like? But then you also have to figure out, hey, where do I want Facebook to put these ads? Do I want to leave it on automatic placements? Do I only want it to be in the news feed? Do I want it to be on Instagram? What do you want? So then let's say you have another 10 choices right here that you deliberate on. Now, these numbers I'm playing with right here are just really conservative because you have way more options with your campaigns, your ad sets, and your ads than just 5, 10, and 10 different options. Which, by the way, you multiply these together, what do you get? Oh, you get a sum total of 500. And that's 500 different variables. And so what I see a lot of small businesses do who say, hey, we tried Facebook ads in the past, they do one thing. They may come over here and they may hit the boost button and just go for reach. Try to reach as many people as possible. They hit the boost button and say, hey, Facebook ads didn't work for me. Or perhaps, maybe they're a little advanced, maybe they do a little research and they actually get inside of the ads manager and then they run a campaign and say they throw $10 a day into one single campaign, but it's just this one variable. And so the one variable with the one ad set with the one ad, and they're hoping for the best without any sort of testing. And even beyond that, there is no testing strategy. And so that's the name of the game. It's testing, not trying one single thing and hoping for the best. I've heard people talk about Facebook ads like this. Now, imagine you are a football coach and your business is football team. And you drop one single play and you say, hey, we're going to go deep. Very first play, we're going to go deep. We're going to do play action fake and we're going to send somebody out on a crosser, but what we're really trying to get is over the top. So there you go. Very first play of the game on offense. You get the ball and you run the play. Maybe it works, maybe it doesn't. But then what happens? You got to keep playing. So what I see a lot of small business owners doing is running this one play and hoping for the best. And sometimes it may work, get a little bit of results. But oftentimes, it falls short of what they're expecting, and then they're like, we tried, and it doesn't work for us. And they let that logic just kind of seep in their head, that doubt, before even actually playing the game. It's like giving up it's like giving up in the first quarter. Does that make sense? I mean, this is a fun, a very profitable game to play, but this strategy's not going to get it done because there's too many variables. There are too many variables for you just to run one campaigns and one ad set and just one ad and give up after that. Let's say that you even have a couple ads that you try. Just to try it one time without testing and trying to optimize anything, you're leaving money on the table, man. Don't do that. So if your small business is trying to grow online and you want help with your Facebook ads, what you can do is go down the link in the description and schedule a free strategy session with a member of my team. And we'll be glad to sit down with you, maybe over Zoom, but we'll sit down with you and look at what you're doing, look at your ad campaigns, and try to help you out the best we can. So if you're in need and you're falling back on that strategy and that's what you're going with, please get in contact with us. Let us help you, because we don't want you to waste any of your time, your money, your effort, and your energy just on one play. There's still a whole game left to play. Let us help you not only play the game, but win. So, thanks for watching this video. If you want to watch more, there's some more right here. Make sure you go schedule that strategy session, and I will see you in the next video.